Hello everyone, Linus from StruSoft here. I hope that you have had a great week. Um, in this tip of the week, I will talk a little bit about the design statuses in Impact. The design statuses are there for making it easy to have an overview of the status from when you have a preliminary drawing until you have a production drawing. So Here I have prepared some elements, and you see the different colors are depending on where in the design status chain we are. The design status chain is set up by you. In here we have I have seven steps with the first one no status. Then we are having the preliminary status review when you do the self-monitor one. Then we have three statuses that isn't changing the actual status type on the drawing, but it gives you a lot of it gives you a clear overview where in the process we are with the drawing. So here we have the first review after you do it yourself with the authorized colleague, then reviewed by structural designer, and then in the end reviewed by the design manager. And when all these steps are okay, we can do the approved for production. So how does this work? We can go to the drawings here, and here we have the list. So let's say that I am working with this drawing now. It's status number one, which is preliminary, and I have now just reviewed it myself. Then I go to my batch sign, and I can do for several drawings at the same time, of course. And then I say that, yeah, it's a review drawing. I won't update the actual drawing, but only the database now. So when I do that, we will get the drawing status to change, as well as this design status. Then my colleagues are starting to look at it, and the first step is to review by an authorized colleague, which is the status now. And since we talked about it, that the review statuses here doesn't have a status type, we need to set it by do the set design status. So now the next step is, now we go quickly here, but review by another colleague, structural designer. So we switch the status. Then in the end, we do the design manager review, and now that's done. So drawing is ready for production now, which we do by doing the batch sign. So basically, all the steps except the review steps by the colleagues uh, are done with batch sign. So here I say that, okay, it's approved today, the building drawing, it's ready for production, and in this case, I only also want to update the database. So I do like this, and we end up with having it green here, number 6. Number 6 means that we have approved it for production. So this is the performance of using the design status. But why should you use it? Because it's easy to follow the chain and also like in afterwards. So if you find some something that's wrong with the element in the production or when it's on site, you can check back in the log and see if we missed any step or where things went wrong. And the easiest way, if you have a specific element, you can do just right click and say show design status history. And here you see all the steps. So first step, now it's by me and the same day, but here we can follow who did what and what time and so on. You can also do it for several elements, or you can right click on or select all or several and print out a design status history report. So I have mine here, and we are generating the reports, and it looks like this. So all the information about the elements right now, and we have filters activated. So here I can say that, okay, I just want to see everyone that is status 1 preliminary. So then I can get an overview of this. I can see everything that's 2 and 3 maybe, and so on. So this is a very nice tool to have control over the design stages of yeah, each drawing. So I hope this was interesting, and I hope that you will enjoy using it. The design statuses are available today in Impact 17, and the design status or history report will be released now in the Q2 release. So yeah, with that, I want to wish you a nice weekend, and see you next time.